Easy way to earn $50 per hour visiting websites. Welcome everyone. My name is Andre, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about an easy way how to earn $50 per hour visiting websites. If this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from, because I always like to know how far my videos are trending. Become a part of the family by liking this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I come out with great content, and every day I'll come out with something new, right? And I talk about entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing, and just ways how you can make money online. For my regulars, happy to have you here, back on another great video. So I want to dive into things, and I'm going to share with you how you can easily earn $50 per hour visiting websites. So this does work. So all you got to do is just apply what you teach. And if you guys are looking for a way how you can make some money online, $200-300 consistently, check out the first link in the description where you can sign up for a free challenge and see if this is something that you want to do. If not, not a problem. Just see if it's something that you would like to get involved with. So let's just dive into things. So the website that I'm going to be talking about is Testing Time. And Testing Time, this website will pay you up to $50, right? How you can make money, you can just come on here. You can sign up and you can become a tester. Now, if you scroll through here, what they do, we recruit test users. So they're looking for people who are, they want to put you guys in focus groups, interviews, surveys, many more things. So this website is like a middle person between huge company and people who is actually looking for work. So they go out and, companies that are coming out with websites and they're coming out with applications and all that kind of stuff, they reach out to Testing Times. And then what they do is Testing Time reach out to people. So they're like the Uber or the Lyft in the online space when it comes to testing websites. So if you come here and you scroll down, you can see all the huge, amazing customers they have, right? These are some huge companies: Trivago, UBS, right? Doodly, Zalando. So these are some top sites today that work. So now how it works, right? Become a test user online. It takes up to 5 minutes, as you can see here. So you can conduct a test 48 hours later, and then there is no third-party step. It's as simple as that. So if you scroll down here, you can see where these are in euro, full service testing. People sign up for this, and they, that's how they make money, right? 2,500 pounds to get started. So you can get paid 50 pounds per test. So if you calculate that into the US or wherever you're from, well, in the US, that's probably a little bit more than $50 US, right? So you could come through here, the recruitment, right? Besides the standard criteria, age, gender, device, right? They're briefly, there's scheduling, they talk about payments. If you do have a PayPal account, this is definitely something that you want to do, right? So there's no extra charges for you. And the tracking, we track a test user and to make sure they become professional testing, right? And as you can see here, you can scroll down here, and this is if people want to get involved and they want to start to, sign up to get their work done. So become a tester. All you got to do is just go over to the right-hand side. You click on where it says become a tester, right? Change your world one short test at a time. So right here, as you can see, you can earn up to $50 an hour, and that is in euros. So yeah, you can bank definitely on that. You test products at home via Skype. So yeah, you're definitely going to need Skype or on-site with customers. So this is all depends on the different locations. They do that, but most people want to work from home. So yeah, Skype is a thing. So if you don't have Skype, you want to download that right away. So you're one of the first to test future products as well. And then once you scroll down, you earn money testing digital products, help shape the future with the products, and scroll down here. So become a paid tester. And it gives you all the information that you need. So if you scroll all the way down, you'll see right here the questions that people always ask, like, what do I need to do to become a user at testing time, right? So it tells you right there, right? How can I participate in a test session? It tells you right there, so you could just go through it. What do I need to participate also remotely from home? So you're definitely going to need Skype, as they mentioned right here. You're going to need a laptop or a PC, not tablet or a smartphone. I apologize. So you definitely need to have a laptop or a PC in order to have the Skype, because they want to make sure that you're all set. You're definitely going to need a microphone. Make sure the computer that you have has a webcam as well. All right. And then what am I supposed to do in a test? It gives you all the information here. Real simple, just to get you going. How often do I get an invite to a test? Right. Sometimes you get invite 1 or 2 times per week. So this is good. You're looking for some extra cash. That is a great way to go. Do you record anything? Right. How long is a test session? Things like that. Right. How much money do I make? Right here, $50 per test, and you'll get paid within 5 to 10 days. So if you start on Wednesday, you probably won't get paid until like Sunday or Monday or Tuesday, sometime next week. So it goes directly to your bank or in your PayPal account. And most people are probably going to ask, like, can this work in my country? Right? All you got to do is just come and check it out, right? Just go onto the website, see if it's going to work for you, sign up for it, see if they accept you, and then just go for it. And then you guys can earn up to, easy way to make $50 just by visiting websites. So I hope this video helps. And if you guys like to learn more about marketing, affiliate marketing, and just ways how to make money online, check out the first link in the description. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.